Hey everybody! On my last video, we spoke about Nexus Dashboard Insights, and I was using that platform within our dCloud environment. Sometimes I'll ask my customers, do you know what dCloud is? And the answer that comes back is no. When I was a customer, I would reach out to my SE and I would ask, how do I get my hands on that particular platform? How do I get my hands on that solution, especially if it's software? That's where dCloud comes in. We also have the Demo Zone that consolidates podcasts and different resources for particular products together. We're going to dive into those two areas today, just briefly for a few minutes. That way you can learn where you can actually look for information for particular products. The Demo Zone is it, and dCloud will give you the hands-on that you need to get familiar with our products. Let's start off with the Cisco Demo Zone. Now, the URLs you're going to see in the video, I'll put those in the description of this particular video. However, if you're interested in finding the Cisco Demo Zone, go to Google, search Cisco Demo Zone. It'll bring you to the page that I'm on right now. As I mentioned before, the Demo Zone consolidates different resources for different platforms, different solutions. Some of those resources could be audio resources like podcasts. Sometimes you'll see video in there. There's self-guided tours of a particular product, and you'll have some read-only access to different sandboxes, similar to what I had with the Nexus Dashboard Insights demo from the last video. Now, let's jump into the Cisco Demo Zone. Once you're there, you'll see different demos for different platforms, different information for different solutions. What I want to do today is I want to check out CyberVision. That's my goal coming to the Demo Zone as well as going into dCloud, is to take a look at what's out there for CyberVision, which is a product in OT that gives you insight to the different things that are in OT, the PLCs, SCADA systems, things that are out there in manufacturing or in different environments that have OT, IoT products. So I want to dig into CyberVision today. Let's say I don't have much experience and I don't know much about CyberVision. I just want to find out more information. What I can do is I can take a self-guided tour of that product. So on the left side, I'm going to scroll and I'm going to check the self-guided box. I'll have other platforms in there, but what I want to do is, in particular, I'm looking for CyberVision. I'm going to click on the guided demo for CyberVision. Now, nobody's going to pop out of the computer and start doing stuff for me. This is just a click next, find out information. Click next, find out more information. It's perfect for somebody who doesn't have too much experience with the platform, or perhaps it's even somebody who wants to give another business organization, another team, a demo of what they're interested in looking at. This is perfect for that. So as you can see here, I am in the self-guided demo for CyberVision. Let's start that demo. I won't go through the whole thing, but as you can see here, I don't have full control, right? It's just me clicking log in. I'm not doing anything else. I'm not clicking around. I'm only clicking on what it tells me to click on. And the nice thing is that it explains, what am I looking at? What am I looking for? So I'll click that. And this widget highlights software vulnerabilities in your OT devices. Perfect. So let's click on that and it'll give me more information. That's what a self-guided demo does. It gives you more information. It gives you information about the product, but it doesn't let you explore everything. It's just click next, find out more. Now, if you're interested on actually playing around with a whole CyberVision sandbox, that's possible. That's doable, but I just wanted to show you what a self-guided demo looks like before we jump into other areas. So now let's go back. We'll click back here. That'll take us over back to the demo zone. I want to uncheck self-guided. Now I want a little bit more access, similar to the NDI demo from last time. I want a read-only environment that I can click wherever I want to. I don't want to be guided. I want to be restricted. So what I'll do is I'll click on the live instant. Here I'll get live instant demos that I can click on and they immediately kick on. So what I'll do here is I'll find the CyberVision live instant demo for CyberVision there. I'm going to click that. It's going to bring me over to the instant demo page. It'll give me information of what am I looking at, right? It gives me the username, the password for the environment. This is perfect for somebody who wants more access to that environment. Now, it's not a full-blown sandbox that you can do anything, but at least it gives you some read-only access to play around with that particular platform. In this case, CyberVision. We'll click on View Demo now. And might take a minute to load here, but pretty much this is going to dump me into CyberVision. Now, as a new user of dCloud, I might have to click on a couple things. I might have to say, hey, yeah, I agree with this. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to accept in here. And hopefully that gets us on our way. There we go. Now we're in the instant demo for CyberVision. Why is it called an instant demo? Because there are other areas of dCloud that you actually have to schedule time, or your SC needs to schedule time for you to play around with that particular sandbox or that particular lab. For these instant demos, they're running all day long. They're available. You can click on view and you can get started. So as you can see here, there's a video to guide me through a couple things. It'll guide me through the lab, what's new, what's going on with this particular environment that's up and running. And I even have a topology. So I know what to expect. We'll scroll up and we'll click view. So again, this is not a self-guided tour. It didn't pop up and I click next and click on something. It's putting me in a read-only version of that solution. Again, we're looking at CyberVision. So right now we'll let it load and it's going to take me into CyberVision. I'll be able to click around and if I'm interested in a deeper experience with CyberVision, what I'll do is I'll say, hey, Mr. SE, can you give me more information on CyberVision? Can you give me access? Is there anything I can do within dCloud to play around with CyberVision? So right now I'm in CyberVision. And as you can see, I can click on anything within CyberVision. I have access. So utilities, we'll take a look at presets, dashboards. I can pretty much click on everything. Again, this is a read-only environment, so you're not going to break anything, but this gives you an opportunity to explore a product. That's the great thing about the self-guided tours. That's the great thing about the instant demos, is that pretty quickly you can learn about a particular platform and you can take this information and you can pass it on to the rest of the business. Now, there's a lot more that you can do. We're going to dive in a little bit more into dCloud, the rest of dCloud. This is dCloud that we're in, but there are other things you can do, and I want to make sure I show you that. So what else is in dCloud? If you log in to dcloud.cisco.com, if it's the first time you're logging in, you'll be asked to select a data center. Now, once you make that selection, you can actually change it. So let's say you didn't even notice that that was an option. Log into dcloud.cisco.com with your CCO ID. On the top right, you'll see a data center that's currently selected. You can drop that down and you can change the data center to a data center that's closer to you. Sometimes there might be different labs and different demos that are available in one data center versus another data center. So it doesn't hurt to explore. Usually I select the data center that's closest to me, which is why I have RTP. Now, dCloud is where these instant demos live. dCloud is where full sandbox demos live, where full labs exist. If you take a third-party class, if you go into Cisco U, you might be using dCloud for your labs. It's a great thing. This is the time where you have a conversation with your SE and you tell them what you're looking for. And hey, is there NDFC there? Is there CyberVision? Is there an FMC lab that I can take a look at? I want to play around with this. Have that conversation with your SE. You can both explore dCloud together. Now let's take a look. What I'll do is I'll click on the catalog. Now, again, you don't have access to everything in here. As you can see in the banner, guests and customers can now be authorized to schedule content. Please ask your Cisco partner or Cisco representative to enable your authorization. Again, if you're interested in a particular lab, firepower, anything else, and you don't see it here, ask them about it. Have a conversation. Now, if I scroll in here, I'll see a couple things that don't have buttons, and I'll also see a couple things that do have buttons. The ones that say view, those are the ones that are instant demos that you can jump to immediately. However, as you can see here, this Cisco NDFC with IP Fabric for Media V1 does not have a button. That's the opportunity you have to talk to your SE to get access to this particular demo environment for a day or whatever it is that you need. It's perfect time to explore different solutions. That's what dCloud is for. But it's not just for you to do it alone. This is the perfect opportunity, again, to work with your account teams. There are so many things you can do in dCloud. It's just a matter of exploring the platform. Let's go back. As you can see here, if I wanted a guided demo or an instant demo or a full lab, I can go through and I can click there. I can filter for that. If I want different solutions, let's say SD-WAN, we'll check that box. You can see here there's different labs. Again, some of them don't let you view and some of them let you view. The ones that let you view, again, they're instant demos. The other ones, the account team would need to schedule some time for you to use that particular environment. Log into dcloud.cisco.com with your CCO ID. Explore. This is the opportunity to learn something new. If you're interested in more information, talk to your SE. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you.